Use the specific people setting to share a document with someone outside your organization. Welcome to M365 Professional. Select Share. Select Link Settings. Choose specific people and select Apply. Add your recipients. Select Send. The recipient will receive an email with a link. The link only works for the person you sent it to. They will need to verify their identity to access the file. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.